Artemus Toast here, and it's time for an unboxing of a DJI Mavic Air. I've been wanting one of these for a while, and today I just got up and decided to go get one. Um, this is the literal unboxing. I just got it a few minutes ago, um, about an hour drive away to pick it up. Um, this is the box. It's a nice heavy duty box, but more interested in what's inside. They have three colors. It shows it somewhere. Where did it show that? Oh, comes in three colors. The black, which is what I got, red or white. I would have took whatever one they had in stock. This is the one I wanted. Fortunately they did have it in stock, but well, comes with this pouch. It's heavy, so it feels like the oh, yeah, it's in there. I watched a lot of videos about DJI drones, and I didn't realize how man the Mavic Air is really small. I knew it was very portable and transportable, but this is the case. Easily fit in a backpack. If you're not wearing skinny jeans, if you're wearing some cargo pants, some khakis, I'm pretty certain this will fit in the pocket when it's folded. Which I'll have to figure out how to unfold it. Put that back in there. Put that to the side. What do we have next? Another box. Says Mavic Air instructions. But that's not all that's in there. Okay, the blade guards comes with those. On the YouTubes, I see a lot of the YouTubers flying without these. Probably because they've been doing it for a while, they feel comfortable with it, and then there's the convenience of only having to have it in this. I think what I'm gonna do is try it out. I don't think I'm ever gonna use those either. Hopefully I don't regret that. What else we have here? I guess information for the support team. Man, that light's bright. And then various manuals and guides. I think I'm just gonna leave the quick start guide out because I'll most likely be watching videos on the YouTubes. And 4 extra blades. I didn't buy any extra batteries or blades yet, because I knew this came with blades, and as far as the battery, I don't know if I'll need one yet, so that's why I kind of held off on it. Okay, here's the controller. Man, really heavy duty. Yeah, I don't know how this works yet either. Here are the antennas. Oh, there we go. and there's some way you can okay, and you could open the bottom to hold your various phone devices. I can see a lot of adjustment there. Okay, let's see what's next in the box. As you probably already know from the other videos regarding DJI products, the build qualities and the packaging's very high quality. The various cords needed with the device. It looks like this is the one that connects your phone to, it looks like there's an Android type one and then the Apple type one, connecting the phone to the controller. This would be the charger. Once again, real high build quality. It's very professional. And then a flat USB cable, I'm assuming for the charger. And looks like just various electronic adapters, maybe for different phones, things like that. But anyway, I'm gonna get this thing charged and it's a beautiful day outside and get some footage out there. A review will come soon. This was just unboxing of a DJI Mavic Air. Artemus Toast out.